Hey there, my friend. Are you tired of feeling like life's punching bag? Are you ready to rise from the ashes and make the greatest comeback of your life? Well, you've clicked on the right video. Today, we're diving deep into how you can turn your setbacks into the ultimate comeback and get ahead of 99% of people. Stick around, because this isn't just another pep talk. It's your wake-up call to greatness. Let's get real for a second. We've all been there, feeling like we're stuck in a rut, scrolling through social media, and wondering how everyone else seems to have their life together while we're struggling to remember if we brushed our teeth. I've been there, and I know how it feels to hit rock bottom. But guess what? Every great comeback story starts with a downfall. It's not about how hard you hit. It's about how hard you can get hit and keep moving forward. Imagine waking up every day feeling like you've been hit by Mike Tyson in his prime, but instead of giving up, you decide to fight back. That's the spirit we're channeling today. So, are you ready to make the greatest comeback of your life? Let's dive in. Step 1. Face the music and dance to it. First things first, you've got to face reality head on. No more hiding under the covers or pretending everything's fine when your life's more of a dumpster fire than a Tinder date gone wrong. Take a good hard look at where you are. Write it down if you have to. Dear Diary, today I realized I'm a complete train wreck. There's power in acknowledging your situation. Analyze it and then own it. This is the one hurdle that most folks can't get past. And it's the very first, but most crucial step. It's like admitting you have a problem, but instead of a 12-step program, we're doing an 8-step dance to success. Step 2. Dream big, plan bigger. Now that you've faced the music, it's time to compose your comeback symphony. What does your ideal life look like? Don't be shy. Dream big. Want to be a billionaire tech mogul? Go for it. Aspiring to be the next Instagram famous dog owner? Hey, no judgment here. But here's the kicker. Don't just dream, plan. Break down your goals into smaller, actionable steps. Want to lose weight? Start by putting down that donut. After you finish it, of course, we're not savages. The point is, you need to tattoo that image of your dream into your brain and never lose sight of the end goal. Step 3. Surround yourself with winners and ditch the losers. As I've stated in past videos, you are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. So, if your circle includes more energy vampires than a Twilight convention, it's time for an upgrade. Seek out people who inspire you, challenge you, and make you want to be better. And don't be afraid to cut ties with those who drag you down. Remember, it's not goodbye, it's see you never. Negative people have a tendency to pass those bad vibes onto others around them like a virus. And there isn't a face mask in the world that can stop that spread. Step 4. Take relentless action or die trying. Dreams are cute, but actions make them real. Start hustling and grinding. This isn't the time to binge watch Netflix or scroll mindlessly through social media. Focus on what brings you closer to your goals. And remember, progress isn't always pretty. It's about consistency, not perfection. All the planning and learning in the world won't mean squat if you don't take action. It's like buying a gym membership and never going. You're not getting fitter, you're just getting poorer. Start small if you have to. Can't run a marathon. Walk around the block. Can't write a novel? Start with a tweet. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Or in our case, a single, get off your ass and do something. Step 5. Fail forward. Every setback is a setup for a comeback. Cheesy, but true. Failure is a better teacher than success. When you fall, don't just lie there. Analyze what went wrong and tweak your approach. Einstein said insanity is doing the same thing over and over and expecting different results. Don't be insane. Be smart. Here's a secret. Successful people fail. A lot. The difference is, they use failure as a stepping stone, not a stumbling block. Every time you fall on your face, metaphorically or literally, I don't know your life. Ask yourself, what can I learn from this? Then dust yourself off and try again. Remember, if at first you don't succeed, skydiving probably isn't for you. Step 6. Learn like your life depends on it, because it does. In today's world, knowledge is power and ignorance is, well, let's just say it's not bliss. It's more like voluntarily wearing a blindfold while trying to cross a highway. Read books, listen to podcasts, take courses. Hell, learn to juggle flaming chainsaws if that's what floats your boat. The point is, never stop learning. Your brain is like a muscle. Use it or lose it. In today's world, with all of the available knowledge at our fingertips, there is literally no excuse for being ignorant. Step 7. Celebrate small wins. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is your comeback. It takes time. In the grand scheme of your comeback, every step forward is a victory. Did you get out of bed before noon? Victory dance. Did you eat a vegetable? Pop the champagne. Celebrating small wins builds momentum and keeps you motivated. It's like giving yourself a gold star, except instead of a sticker, it's the sweet, sweet dopamine hit of accomplishment. Step 8. Give back. As you climb your way to the top, don't forget to reach back and help others. Not only is it good karma, but it also reinforces your own progress. Plus, nothing puts your problems in perspective like helping someone else with theirs. Suddenly, your existential crisis over which Netflix show to binge next doesn't seem so dire. So there you have it. Follow those 8 steps to get yourself back on track and make the greatest comeback of your life. And before you go, if you found this video helpful, smash that like button harder than I smashed my dreams of becoming a professional napkin folder. Subscribe for more life-changing content and hit that notification bell if you want to be part of the notification squad. It's not a real thing, but it sounds cool, right? Share this with anyone who needs a little kick in the ass to get moving again. And if you have any comeback stories or tips, drop them in the comments. Let's build a community of resilience and badassery. Life is gonna knock you down, it's a given. But staying down, that's a choice. Remember, you've got this. Now go out there and make your comeback so epic, they'll have to rewrite the history books. Thanks for watching. Stay strong, stay focused, and stay awesome. Until next time, keep pushing forward. See you in the next one.